Hello beautiful. So I haven't filmed in so long, but I'm so excited to film this because I have recently gone to a wedding and I wore this makeup for hours, almost 12 hours, and it lasted the whole night. And I really want to share it with y'all because it's so affordable and it's super easy to achieve, and it's just a great overall look just to be a guest at a wedding. I have been testing out a lot of products recently and I really want to share just good, awesome products that are so inexpensive that you can access at any drugstore or any store near you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The foundation that lasted so long was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I have 3 different shades for my skin. It just depends if I'm tan or not. I usually use classic beige, desert beige, or golden beige. I am a beige girl, I guess, because everything's beige. I am going to use golden beige and desert beige and mix them together. I'm going to make a foundation cocktail and I'm just going to apply this to my skin. So I usually go in with golden beige and just put it here. And this foundation, you can find it at Walgreens. Buy one, get one 50% off. I recently purchased it for that price. It's very inexpensive and it's super amazing. And sometimes I use a darker foundation to kind of prepare my face for like the bronzer and contour, because I love that bronze look. And so that's why sometimes I use a darker shade like in the outer perimeter of my face. Okay, so now that my foundation is on, I am gonna apply concealer, and I used a really great concealer. If you have any like discoloration right here, like any blue veins or anything like that, this LA Girl Pro Conceal in color Nude, this one cancels out that blue and it's very pink. You have to use your skin tone kind of concealer on top of it because this is too salmon. Once that is on the skin, I do apply my Maybelline Fit Me in medium, and this concealer has always been my favorite because it brings back a little bit of life to your skin. It's not too matte, it's a little bit dewy. Once all of this is set, and I do want to apply some powder, and I have 2 great powder recommendations. This one is a great powder, but if you're going to take flash photography, don't know how it works with flash, I would have to see about this one, but it is a great powder, and if you're not going to be taking photos the whole time, this one is a great powder. It's the NYC Smooth Skin. This is only $3 at Walmart, and there's the Coty Airspun. This one is about $7, and I have this one in Naturally Neutral. So I'm going to apply this all over my skin because it is going to be a long day, a long night, and you want everything to last the whole night. You don't want to be touching up, unless you like to touch up, but I want to focus on the party. So I'm just going to apply this all over my skin. I usually dab this powder into my skin, and then I kind of fluff it out. This makes your skin look airbrushed, and I can't tell you how big of a fan I have become recently. I've had this powder for a long time, but I had other powders that I was using, but this one is fabulous for making your makeup last all night. If you want to apply a little bit more coverage, this Super Stay Better Skin powder is amazing. I love this powder so much. I've actually hit pan on it, and I already have a backup just in case, and this makes your skin look better. This, I do like what it claims because it is true. So moving on to bronzer, my 2 favorite at the moment is the NYX Matte Bronzer in Medium and this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends in 30 Sunkiss. You can always find a coupon for these. They are, excuse me. Okay, so these are really great powders because it makes your skin look so beautiful. It adds the perfect amount of warmth to your skin. It's super beautiful. And if you're a big fan of bronzer like I am, you're gonna really love these. As you can tell, it bronzes up your face very pretty. And I always put some on my eyelids just to prep that for eyeshadow. So once all my bronzer and everything, all of this is photo friendly, by the way. The Coty Airspun and all the products I'm using, it's all photo friendly. I have found the perfect highlighter and blush. I love this combo. I think it's really pretty and romantic. I did use the Revolution, the matte blush in the shade Nude. So this color is super beautiful. It lasted the whole 12 hours and I can't tell you how beautiful it is. It's only $5 and you can find this at Ulta. And if you spend $15 or more, you do get $3.50 off. Even better of a deal. So I mixed this with the Master Chrome metallic highlight in 50. I just got highlighter all over my thumb. It's more of a pink undertone. It's very pretty. And there's also number 100 Molten Gold. This one flatters my skin so nice because I do have more olive tan skin. But this one's beautiful on darker skin tones too. I mean, it's just the preference, what you like. So I'm going to apply my blush and then I'm going to apply my highlight. Now that my skin is ready to go, the eyeshadow, I used one palette, and this palette I think it's less than $6, and it's the new version of the Comfort Zone by Wet n Wild. This palette is incredible. If you hear a plane outside, very sorry about that, but the only thing I have to say is that they are a little bit powdery, especially the transition shades. But other than that, I mean, you get the pigment, you get the long-lasting eyeshadow. I did not touch my eyes though. I mean, if you rub your eyes and stuff, obviously the wear isn't going to be as long, but if you don't touch your eyes, I mean, this will last you all night. And I put a little bit of the Airspun powder and then I just went in with this. I'm taking this transition shade. As you can tell, it kicks up a little bit, and that's completely fine with me. I went into the transition shade, the more warm tone one, and I put that in my crease. This look is so easy and you get so many compliments because it flatters a lot of different eyes, colored eyes, skin tones, all that good stuff. So once I applied the transition shade, I am gonna take my finger and go into this shade right here, I believe is number 4, and I'm just gonna apply that with my finger and just put it all over my lid. Okay, so once I have put that shade all over my lid, you can go in with your highlighter and just make it really pop. Okay, so once that is on, I didn't want to do anything too dramatic because it was a wedding and I wanted to just, I wanted to leave it just as simple as this, or you can also go in with the other transition shade and apply this to your outer corner, and I'm just going to show you that. It's still very pretty. It just gives you a little bit more depth. So it's super pretty. It brightens up your eyes and flatters a lot of skin tones. I love this. It makes your eyes look bright and awake. And now I'm just going to apply my mascara. I'm going to use the Essence Volume Stylist and a little bit of Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. You can use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. It's super great, but I'm out of it right now. And I need to repurchase that, but I'm just going to apply these. Okay, once that is on, I'm going to move on to lips because lips is very important. I think it brings the whole look together and it makes everything look super nice. I'm using natural lighting because I love that, but it is a little bit bright right now. The lip liner I'm going to be using is the NYX Ever lip liner, and I'm just going to line my lips. Okay, once that is applied, I am going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in number 55 Driver, and this lipstick is so flattering. It's very pretty. Of course, I like to mix it with a darker lip liner so it can be very flattering on my skin. These two lip products are a beautiful combination. They're very affordable and it gives you an all over kind of like spring, almost summer look. Super flattering, and you will get compliments. And if you want to add any false eyelashes to your look, you absolutely can. I did, but today is a normal day and I'm not going to apply some because it is a normal day for me. But I did want to recreate this look and share it with y'all because it lasted so long and it looked beautiful the whole night, and I felt very pretty and put together. And I hope that some of these products will work for you and you'll try some of them. They're all very affordable and at your local drugstore. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an incredible day, and until next time, I'll see you then. Bye!